Hey guys, Nathan Duck River Honey, and I want to make this a super quick video on a cheap but very effective dry pollen feeder for your bees. So let's take a look. This is about as simple as it gets. I've got an old bottom board, an old honey super, telescopic top lid, stuff that most beekeepers are going to have. On the inside, I've got some mason jars with Ultra Bee. This keeps your pollen sub dry, relatively dry, and the bees are able to access it really well. They like it. So I hope this helps some folks. You know, you can get those big blue dry pollen feeders. Those things are expensive. And in my opinion, this works just about as well, maybe better. So it's certainly a lot cheaper. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.